Hey guys, we're going to quickly walk through the process or how best to use the Build Your Own Sandbox effectively and efficiently so that the work that you do now is applicable to your official courses once those get synced over. A few things. One, everyone has been added to the model course. So you're able to see exactly what the setup of your official courses should look like. In your sandbox, each staff member has been provided a sandbox, and I'm going to quickly create my own so that I can show you. So I'm going to add a folder, title it. All right, so now I'm ready to build out all of the non-negotiable elements required from our model course. So what I'm going to do is split screen these so that I have the ability to view both at the same time. It'll just help me navigate things more quickly. So the first thing I notice is that in the model course, there is a question and answers discussion. So I need to replicate that. So I'm going to come over to my add materials and I'm going to add a discussion. I'm going to title that questions and answers. In the description, make sure the students know what this should be used for. I'm also going to provide them some guidelines as to how quickly they can expect me to respond. All right. I don't want this to have a due date because I'm not going to make this a graded assignment. If you did, however, want to make a discussion graded, you would just click Enable Grading, and then you would select your grading category and so forth. So this guy is ready to go. Click Create. And now it is the first thing that populates on this Sandbox course. So the second thing I notice is a folder that has general information. For adding this, I'm going to show you really quickly how to copy this over to courses. So this little drop-down menu over here, if you're an administrator in both courses, you click Copy to Course, and then you would select where you want it to go. So right now I want it to go to the 2021 Giants Build Your Own Sandbox. Now I'm going to select the folder. We've got lots and lots and lots of folders. This one would be, I'm going to select no folder for now and copy over. All right, so now if I come back to building my own sandbox, that general information folder right here is now here as well. So now let me move this into my sandbox. I want it to go right there, and we're good. So back to my personal sandbox. Now I notice that there's a folder for conferencing links. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to build the folders, and then I'm going to come back and add in any specific materials that I might need. So the first one, I'm going to add my conferencing links. Done. Second folder is my toolbox. And then I'm going to provide a bit of a description. And create. There I go. All right, so you would continue to replicate this process just by adding the folders, or you could copy them over, whichever you prefer. All right, Thank you for watching, and don't forget to reach out if you have any questions or need any additional support.